all, welcome back to Matlab tutorial on Tute Fulcrum. This session is on handle graphics in Matlab. A line is a graphics object. It has several properties like line style, color, thickness, visibility, etc. Once a line is drawn on the graphics screen, it is possible to change any of its properties later. Suppose you draw several lines with pencil on a paper. If you want to change one of the lines, you must first find a line you want to change and then change what you do not like about it. On the graphics screen, a line may be one among several graphics objects. You have others, for example, axes, text, labels, etc. So how do you get hold of a line? You get hold of a line by its handle. So what is a handle? Matlab assigns a floating point number to every object in the figure window, and it uses this number as an address or name for the object in the figure. This number is the handle of the object. Once you get hold of the handle, you can access all the properties of the object. In short, the handle identifies the object and the object brings with it the list of its properties. So let's take an example. Let's say we are going to plot a line. So I have the x values as a set of values ranging from 1 to 10. Let me take the same values for y as well. And let me plot the same. So plot of x comma y. This will plot a straight line between x and y. So this is the plot that we get when we plot x and y. So now let's see how to get the object handles. So object handles, as said, are unique identifiers associated with each graphics objects. These handles have a floating point representations. So there are two ways of getting hold of handles. Let's see the first method. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create handle explicitly at the object creation level command. That is, I am going to say h1 or h is equal to plot of x comma y. Here h is acting as a handle to the graphical object. So the statement h is equal to plot of x comma y returns the handle of the line to h. So if you run this, you could see the properties of the graphical object here. H is equal to the line width properties. The line has got few of the properties like color, line style, line width, marker, etc. And through the graphical object handle h, you can manipulate these properties as well. So let's say, for example, you want to change the line style. So by default, or as per the property here, it is a single dash. Now suppose if you want to modify the line style through the handle, you can modify the same. So how do you do that? You have to say h is the handle dot the property. So it is line style. I am going to change the value. So let me make it as double dash. Okay. So you could see here immediately after executing that, the line style has changed from single dash to double dash. So if you check your plot also, you could see the difference. You could see the line here. So through the handle of the graphical object, we can access its properties and we can manipulate the same. The second method of getting object handle is by using explicit handle returning functions. We have functions GCF, GCA and GCO. The GCF function gets the handles of the current figure. So you could see here, it will give you the properties of the current figure. And then you have GCA, which will give you the properties of the axis. So GCA will get you the handle of the current axis. GCO will get the handle of the current object. Let's see few more functions. Let's talk about the get function. So the function get is used to get a property value of an object specified by its handle. That is, we say get function. It takes two arguments. The first one is the handle. So in the previous program we have written h is equal to plot of xy. So h is going to be the handle there. So get, the first argument is the handle, so h. The second argument is the property that you're trying to access through the handle. So h comma, let's say we are going to access the line style. So I'll say line, then style. So this will give you the properties of line style. So you could say it is giving the property. What is it? It is double dash. Same way you can modify these properties using the set function. So if I say set, then I have to specify the handle and then I have to specify the property name. So let me say it is line style. Now I have to specify the new value to which I am changing this line style. So let me put it back to a single dashed line. So this will set the property of the line style as single dash. So if you could check, or let's use the get function back and check whether the property is set or not. So if you say get h comma and the property name line style. Yes, you could see the property is changed to single dash. So this is the set and get function. So this is about handle graphics. The key to understanding and using the handle graphics system is to know how to get the handles of graphics objects and how to use handles to get and change the properties of the objects, which we have discussed in detail in this session. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and please don't forget to tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new videos. Thank you.